To select a presentation, all you have to do is first press the disk key, here. Then you'll press the band key, enter the number you want, and then press the seek key. In a matter of seconds, the video segment you selected will be playing back right on the monitor screen. Well,
it's just
Command
that
Center
easy.
control of RCA video for 1984.
That's steel cabling.
Remote switching of video components.
If one of those snaps, he's dead.
Monitor.
He's toast.
But the space-saving story of RCA 25-inch televisions and monitors is not just in table models.
Like, they couldn't go through one section of this video without throwing that big-ass fucking remote in there.
Selectavision monitor consoles that also
They're like,
carry
we're going to save
slimline
some money and build this
dimensions
out of
not a whole lot
cardboard. He's
wider
like, nope,
than a 19-inch
good
set.
old-fashioned American
Their
steel.
110-degree RCA
Was this
super
made in
anti-filter
Detroit?
tubes. Take a moment to admire it close up. The styling is impeccable. The most used function controls are clearly labeled and conveniently arranged by its looks alone. Its complement of features and performance characteristics will make their eyes bulge. But when you show someone that the VJP 900 is RCA's convertible VCR,
Oh,
They
think they're
will
breath
shit
away.
their pants.
It's amazing. An under 8-pound portable recording deck with an optional built-in rechargeable battery. Team it with an RCA camera, and you're ready to produce your own video roadshow. Bring it home, set it back.
So his neighbors, Jim and Kathy, are like, Jim,
This again.
he's doing it again. Oh, he just fucking broke everything. I ain't messing with him. He's got the determinate, like, just, oh.
That there had to be editing in there. That's not humanly possible, what he just did.
All right, what's he playing now? Oh, little xylophone? You steal this from his kid?
I think you're really taking some liberties there, assuming that he has children.
Oh, wait.
I forgot about the girls.
Is she buried
yes.
under the house? Yes or no?
You can't see his face here, but he's actually wearing one of those girls' faces over his own that was in one of the boxing videos.
Ooh, we actually got a little something going here. Figaro. Is that what that was? Oh my god. It's on his hip. Oh. Yes. He's either serious as fuck, or he's just the best at pulling goofs on people.
Yeah, so he's either a crazy person or just a comedic genius.
Yes, we get that the slide moves. Oh! Also a self-defense weapon. Little known fact. Oh, back to the
Back
trombone.
to it.